back, everybody. I don't know if you can see it, but I have a new change of scenery. I'm back at my parents' house and this is my childhood room. It changed a little bit because I used to have like a this kind of yellow wall, and yeah, it was pretty weird. Maybe you can see a little change in the quality. I'm really excited about it because I bought this Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II for Christmas. Like, it's a gift for myself, from myself, because I had some money for Christmas, and yeah, so I shoot this before Christmas, but I knew I was going to have this for Christmas. I can't talk anymore. I'm so happy. I have my new camera, so the vlogs are going to be so much better. Like, the quality is going to be perfect. So yeah, this is going to be a vlog of just being back at my parents' house and before Christmas. So we made some great things already. We went to ikea and we're gonna bake some Christmas cookies and everything. It's gonna be really cool, and yeah, I hope you'll enjoy it. I still have to find the perfect angle, and this camera has to focus on me, but I'm keeping it with, I'll show you, because I have, oh god, I'm so happy. Yeah, I have my little stick now, and yeah, I've been alone for like the past 2 months, and it's been like 4 days that I'm back at home with my parents, my sister, her boyfriend. We had a little birthday party, like COVID obviously, so not a big one, with just like very close friends. But I don't know the perfect angle for that, but yeah, it was great, but I feel like I'm drained. Like, I'm drained socially. I'm exhausted now, because I've been around people for 4 days and I need my me time. I haven't had any like proper me time, just being by myself, like watching videos, doing nothing. And yeah, it's great, but it's weird at the same time. I like being around people. I take my energy from being around people, but at the same time I like to be alone sometimes. So I'm gonna try to rest, because I have a huge headache now, which is not ideal, but I'll maybe just play on this camera a little bit to see what they can do. And yeah, we're having a raclette tonight, which is like proper French, I guess, winter meal, with like melted cheese that you put in a raclette machine. And then you have with potatoes and usually like meat, but I don't eat meat, so I have vegan stuff and vegan cheese, like vegan raclette cheese, which is weird. I never tried it, so I'll update you, but yeah. And I'm now going to do nothing because my head is tired, but I'll catch you later. So I've been watching like videos for this camera, like to change up the setting and to learn how to use it, and I'm not sure about this setting. Like, I've changed the white balance. It makes me like I'm on white pillow, so it makes me feel like I'm literally glowing, and that's great, I have to say. Like, this white balance is not too bad. It feels very light, but I quite like it, so I just enjoyed this camera so much. Love it. So this is great. I'm so excited to use it, and even at back at my apartment to shoot some new like recipes and everything, better quality, better lighting at during the night, and just better content in general. So this is really exciting, love it. And I've got like my outfit today, like this shirt, love it. Hope you have a good day. I'm going to show you what I eat tonight. Maybe I'll catch you later if I think about it, but I'm playing with my camera all day, so I'll think about I can't talk anymore, but you see what I mean. I'll think about filming the end of the day or something like that. So yeah, I have trouble with the frame, but I'll get to it. I think Aslet doesn't like me anymore, but hey kid, time to go to sleep for me. And Aslet, are we gonna sleep? Are we gonna go to bed? He's very annoyed, but I hope you have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. I can't talk anymore. I got a little spot here, bed head, but it's fine. I had a nice breakfast, nice porridge, and I just cleaned a little bit my room because it was a bit messy. And now I'm probably going to work a little bit because I have an essay to submit, and I'll probably wrap my presents because I just saw Zoella, like Zoe, so doing it on her vlog. Yeah, I'm just going to wrap my presents this afternoon. We might do some Christmas cookies, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you all enjoy this really chaotic vlog because I haven't vlogged a lot, but it's hard to vlog with my family around, and I don't feel comfortable yet. I don't know, it's weird, but we're gonna make it. And yeah, it's a very grey morning. Focus camera, but yeah, it's very grey. Ooh. I love that it has like automatic settings, but sometimes I quite like the white balance from yesterday that I changed in somewhere. I'll have to find it back, but yeah, this is me playing around with my camera, and me and my little red spot will tell you to enjoy your day. Oh god, I can't talk. And this is a weight angle, right? I look weird, but whatever. I hope you'll enjoy this little day of doing almost nothing.